Welcome to our guide on setting up a WordPress website. Today, we'll explore what WordPress is and why it's the ideal platform for your online presence. Your first step is choosing a domain name and hosting provider. A memorable domain sets the stage for your brand. Now let's install WordPress. Simply follow the prompts on your hosting account to get started. Here's your WordPress dashboard. It's where you manage your content, themes, and plugins. Choose a theme that reflects your style. Remember, it's the first impression visitors will have. Now, customize your selected theme with basic settings. Tailor colors and fonts to your preference. Plugins enhance functionality. Install essential ones like SEO tools and security features. Let's create your first post or page. Share your thoughts or showcase your services. Organize your content by setting up navigation menus for easy access to your site's features. Congratulations! You're ready to launch your WordPress website. Explore further to enhance and grow your site.